Hello out there, everyone. This is the world famous here, Mr. River Rat, the troubleshooter. Bottom line is, we have another Cobra 29. It's a Cobra 29 Night Watch LTD Classic. This is a shout out to fellow name, world famous out there, Valley White out there in Brownsville, Texas. This is the color here. This one has here. It's a little bit different than the other one I posted. It has echo board here and here, right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check 1, 2, break, break, break. 1, 2, 3.
And we added a Roger beep. Let's go back here, right here, right there. Turn it off here.
Audio 1, 2.
Okay, that's a Roger. We added a Roger beep. There it is. Right there. This is a Roger beep here.
Hola, adelante, sí, afirmativo.
Roger beep, and we added a little fart sound in here, a mule fart or a buzzer fart. Many years back in the 90s, we used to do this a lot on these modified Roger beeps.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check.
And we also added an extra switch here. We used to do this back then, where it just stays on. So key up the mic is right here, and you could do this too. Okay, and we put let's see what the current amperage this does here. Because this has the MOSFETs here. I believe it's the 2030 when they first came in back then in the 2000 and something.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, about 2.5. We got about 2.5 amps out there current out there, hello. With these MOSFETs, I believe are the 2030s out there, hello, break, 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 break.
Okay, 10 watt? About 1 watt?
Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hello. Audio, 1, 2, break, 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 hello. About 1 watt did key all the way to 8. Average, hello, break, break.
And let me see, we got the RF. We did an RF power here too. We move it all the way to the right. We will have a dead key of 5 watts.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 watt dead key. Audio, going about 8. Hello. All day. All day. Break, break.
Okay, let's go back. I believe back at 12 o'clock. Okay, that's where I have it. Yeah, I think it's at 1 o'clock. Let me put it at 1 o'clock right there.
There it is right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, break, break. Hola, hola, Coca-Cola. Breaker, breaker, breaker. 1 about radio check out there. Hello, break, break. Break, break. USA, Mexico. Around the world, around the globe we go. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check. Break, break.
Let's see what it's doing.
Hola. Adelante. Breco, breco, breco. Se puede. O no se puede. Audio. Yeah, we got that thing moving forward. Audio 1, 2, break, break, break. Audio 1, 2, break, break, break.
Okay, thank you very much. 73. I'm gone. Bye.